So this is the pound dollar analysis for Monday the 4th of June. Now let's just have a look at in prices and where prices may likely go. So here on the pound against the dollar, what we have seen is we've had price come pretty close towards that 132 level. We've seen the bullish buy side momentum retest the 32.81. Brief consolidation, had this slow moving bullish price action to the upside. Head up towards the 33.50, from which we did see the sell side momentum take us back below the 32.81, where we found support in around 32.60s. Had a retest of the 33.50, broke above, retested tested the 33.68. We've now had a pullback down towards the 33.50, and we do appear to be having buy side momentum return to the market. So if we continue to hold this 33.50 and we do break above the 33.68, we are looking for a move up towards our 34.29 while being aware of the 400 period moving average. The 400 period moving average sitting in around that 34.15 or so before we look for a move up towards our 34.29. Major level marked out here in red. If we can break and hold above that level, we'll be looking for a move up towards our 34.88, and if there is sufficient volatility to the upside, 35.19, well, 35.20 may come into focus. If, however, we do see a breakdown in prices from where we are at present, and we do break down from the 33.50, we do have to be aware of the 33.20, where we do have the 200 period moving average previously acted as resistance, saw a minor reaction there, so it could potentially act as a support level and see bullish buy side momentum come into the market from there. Failing that, we'll be looking for price head down towards a 33.04, 32.81, and if we do break from 32.81, possibly a move down towards a 32.20 here on the pound against the dollar. We'll have a look here at the higher time frames, and over here on the monthly chart, we can see after having this strong, consistent, well, fairly strong recovery here on the pound against the dollar, we've had a breakdown in prices, a somewhat shift in momentum over the past month. We've had a pretty bearish close to last month, candle closing near its lows. So far, we are seeing a bit of bullish buy side momentum at the start of the month, but it do appear, based on the previous 2 months, to having a bit of a turn here in the market. So we'll look to see how the prices react towards possibly that 20 period moving average. If we continue to do retracement here to the downside, where we can find support for a bullish move, but it does appear to be a bit of a turn here in the pound against the dollar more recently. We had difficulty price progressing to the upside prior, but now we're seeing a bit of sell side momentum in the market. What we'll do now is we'll have a look here at the weekly chart. And over here on the weekly chart, we can see here we had a series of higher lows. We've now had price come towards the 200 period moving average. We trade above it, above the 200 period moving average here on the weekly chart. We weren't able to close above the 200 period moving average. And what we have seen so far over the past couple of weeks are strong, consistent sell-offs, sizable, notable candles, quite sizable. What I mean by that is open to close, fairly large candles. Now we have put in a bit of a bullish pin bar last week, and we are seeing a bit of momentum follow through to the upside, but the market still appears weak, so we might see retracement before possibly seeing further sell side momentum continue here in the market on the pound against the dollar. And let's just have a look here at the daily chart for wrapping up. And on this daily chart, we can see here that is a pretty sharp sell-off, consolidation, broke down further to the downside, and over the past couple of days or so, we've had a bit of bullish buy side momentum come into the market. We do appear to be having that momentum follow through at present. So again, we are looking to see if we do head up towards a 34.29. Where we might find some resistance here on the pound against the dollar. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.